Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So from today I will be starting the series of in which we will be solving the questions from the Hackerank using a Python 3. So if you are not familiar to Hackerank, don't worry. We will be starting from the scratch and we will go up to the advanced level. So if you don't have an account at Hackerank, then you can just search Hackerank and you can click here. You can see I am already logged in. You can log out to this, and first of all I will show you how to do. First of all, if you don't have an account, you can sign in. You can use to connect with the Google and you can do the sign in, and after that you can log in. Okay, so here you are in the first page. Here you can see the dashboard in which I am doing the question, all the different things. You can choose the different things from here also, and you can have a tutorial for the 30 days code. Suppose now we will be starting for the Python. So today we will start from the easy questions. Suppose my easy questions, you can get the questions here. Okay, so hello world is very easy, so we will start from the second question. Okay, so here is the question on your screen. I will just zoom so you can see easily. Okay. Your task is to give that given an integer n, perform the following condition action. If n is odd, print weird. That is, you have to put the condition for the n is odd. Then for if n is even and in inclusive range of 2 to 5. Inclusive range means 2 and 5 are added, then print not weird. This is really a easy question. If n is even and inclusive range of 6 to 20, print weird. And if n is even and greater than 20, print not weird. Okay, so here the constraints are given, that is n must be greater than 1 and less than or equal to 100. This constraint is just for us to understand that how much complexity this programming test case will have. Here they have given the input that sample input is 3. 3 is an odd number, so if n is odd, print weird. Explanation is also given. Sample input 1, 24. N is even and it is greater than 20. N is even and greater than 20. Print not weird. So this is really a good question. So now we will start with Python 3. Python 3. Okay, I will erase these all things and we will start with the new fresh code. Suppose n, we will take it as integer input. Now we have taken the input as n. Okay, now we will go on keeping all the conditions. If n is odd, now for to check that n is odd or even, we will suppose write if n modulo 2 equals to 1. That means if n when divided with 2 leaves an remainder 1, it will be an odd number. So now if n is odd, we will print what we have to print, that is weird. We'll print here, that is weird. Elif n modulo 2 is equals to 0. That is, if n is an even number and n is an inclusive range of 2 to 5, that is n is in between 2 comma 5. That means here we will have a condition in which n must be greater than or equal to 2 and n less than equal to 5. If such, then print. What we have to print? If n is even, inclusive range of 2 to 5, print not weird. Here we will have a string and print not weird. Elif and modulo 2 equals to 0 and greater than equal to 6, and what was the next condition? N is in inclusive range of 6 to 20, print weird. And n less than equal to 20, print weird. Elif, or you can use else condition also, but I will be using elif condition, that elif n greater than 20, print not weird. I think it was not weird. Yes, not weird. So this is the simple code of searching the things and according to the modulo function we have used, and this was the easy question. So let's run the code. Oh, sample test case 0 has failed. Output your, okay, there is a space here. Yes, so this is the space which has come with this. Okay, we will be running the code again. Okay, so test case have succeeded, so we will submit the code. Okay, so all the test case passes. So if you want to see what was the test case about, you can see it using the echoes if it is wrong, and you can see your echoes count here. Here you can check your echoes count. Thank you for watching this video.